Hello everyone, it's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a shop with me as well as a haul for you from TKMaxx, as the title suggests. Now I had to go to TKMaxx because I wanted to get like end of term gift for the teacher, for Alex's teacher and the teacher assistant as well. And I always like the quality of stuff you can get in TKMaxx with the price tag, okay? So take a look at the shop with me bit. If you don't want to see the shop with me, I will write right here where you need to skip to, if that makes sense. So let's go. as you can see, TKMaxx, as always, is full of good stuff. I can spend a fortune in there. I spent just over £52 in total. I'm going to show you what I got. So the main reason why I went was to get the teacher's gift. And this is what I decided to get. It's a candle. It's by Sea Salt, which is a really good brand. And I think his teacher would like that. The RRP is £25 and it cost me £12.99. It smells really lovely. It's a rose. Let me show you. There you go. Okay. I was really impressed to find this. It's usually some weird brand that I've never heard of, but I was really happy to find. There you go. This is what it looks like. I know she'll like that kind of thing. I know the teacher fairly well. So yeah, so I got her a present for £12.99 and it's actually worth £25. I then wanted to get something for the classroom assistant, and I also got her a candle. This time is by White Stuff, which is again another awesome brand, and it's really cute. It's only a small, like, votive, is that what you call them, votive candles? It smells really, really fresh. Does it say Blissful Boost? It's quite citrusy. Let me see. Lemongrass, black pepper and ginger. And it's actually made in Yorkshire. So made in the UK. These were £2.99. I actually got two. I'm going to give her one and I'm going to keep this one in my stash in case I've forgotten someone else. Now to the classroom assistant, I'm also going to add this little pack of biscuits. I love all the biscuits and sweets you can get in TKMaxx. This is Elsa's Story cappuccino flavour pecan butter cookies. Look at that. They look delicious. So it'll be that, and both of them will get a card, of course. I then also, still in the present stuff, this is for a friend of mine who had a baby. Another friend of mine. I know I've been hauling a lot of them. How cute are these? These are like little bibs, but they're like muslin type of bibs. They're by a brand called Angel Deer. I thought these were super, super cute and a really good price. And again, you won't see these brands on the high street, so it's a little bit more, I like that kind of stuff. So does that make sense? Okay, anyway, so that's that. I also picked up some Himalayan pink salt with the grinder, and it was £1.99. As you guys know, this can get quite expensive. They had all different sizes and already ground, you know, just the big rock as well that you can grind yourself, and I just got this one. Picked up another one of these. Now, if you follow me for a while and you saw my HomeSense haul, I picked up one of these, but it was a vanilla flavour. I actually got this one and I'm going to give it to a friend of mine. It's the salted caramel flavour. So this is like a topping, whipped foam topping for your coffee. It's really, really good. And this was £4.99. There you go. And then, as you guys know, I'm in the process of moving, if I haven't spoken about that enough. So this house that I'm moving to is going to be smaller, so I'm all about the organization and things like that. So this is a very small organization thing, but I just got a sponge holder. I can use it in this house as well, but yeah, it's just very plain. It's grey. And yeah, I just like the idea. I don't like putting my sponge inside the cupboard, you know, when it's wet. So this will keep it nice. Okay. And then the other thing that I got was this. It's like an over cabinet or screw mount basket. So you can actually just use these to hook them over the cupboard, or you can forget about this and you can screw them into the cabinet door. And it's basically a 2-tier basket, and you can see here yeah, potentially I thought this could be for the door in the kitchen, and it could just have like bits and bobs on the top, and then like the washing up liquid. You get my drift. But I can also hang it behind a bathroom door, all that kind of stuff, all that jazz. And that was $5.99, which I thought was quite good. And finally, and this was an impulse buy, I really like it. I don't regret it, but I actually got myself a planner. It's August 2018 to December 2019. Can you see? And it's grey with a copper or gold or rose gold. I'm not quite sure, but it's really beautiful. Really beautiful, beautifully done. Look, inside, this is what it looks like. Okay, and it's got obviously the calendar, but it's also got contacts, as well as, I like the August at a glance, so every month at a glance, where you can do your goals, your birthdays, anniversaries, to-dos for that month. And then I love the way it's split the weeks up. Yeah, I just thought it was really sweet, and I'm hoping to just use it. I can't believe I almost forgot to show you guys this. It's a little drinking bottle for Alex. It's got dinosaurs on it. It's by a brand, Sass and Bell, and it cost $3.99. It's usually £5. It's not very big. It's like 300 ml. It's perfect to have in my handbag or to put in his lunchbox. It's aluminium and a plastic lid like this, and the plastic is BPA free, so I really like that. Here's the brand, and look, so cute. And that is it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I tried, as you noticed, no home decor, even though I just wanted to buy loads of stuff. I'm gonna wait until I move, and then all hell's gonna break loose when it comes to shopping. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.